Okay, it's early March and we're getting the garden ready. We've mowed it off and it's ready to be plowed. Next step, we'll go ahead and plow all this under and then come back through with the tiller and getting the garden area ready. We'll be putting in our cabbages, broccoli, kale, peas, and of course potatoes and onions next. So we set up an area in the machine shed to help us with gardening this year as well. Jacob and I cleared out this spot. Thanks, Jake. And we put up a garden table. So we keep some more of our supplies out and more accessible for this year. Okay, we're back home from the farm now, and we can take a look at our plants. Here we have mostly broccoli. Herbs. And mostly tomatoes. Our raised beds are doing pretty well. We have peas in the end, and some more lettuce, kale, radishes are just starting to appear, and these two planters are mostly garlic that we have overwintered.